Create a new recipe. Launching the program. Launch WinMix in one of the known ways, from the desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. Create a new recipe. There are several ways to create a new recipe. In the invitation window, click the New Formula, New Compound, or New Wet Feed button. From the Recipe menu, select New, and then select a recipe type from the drop-down list. Click the New button on the toolbar to create new formula recipe. Use recipe templates. You can use a template to create a new recipe. Select the group that contains the pig feeding templates. Select the template, Pigs, 40 to 70 kilograms, template. Click the OK button to complete the operation. After that, the quality standards and the list of raw materials will be added to the recipe. The minimum and maximum values of quality indicators and raw materials will be used to calculate the recipe. Calculating the recipe. When the recipe composition is defined, it can be calculated. To do this, press the Enter key or the Optimize button. Now you know how to create a new recipe and use templates to simplify the process.